Okay. So we're on our way to the gym in Miami, Florida. She's mad because she lost a client right now. Loser. She's a personal trainer. You can find her at.
Follow me.
You can follow her. No, listen. Hey, you can follow her at raulsgirlfriend.com, and you can get all info about that. What's your name on the social? J Lofts. So we're on our way to the gym. I wanted to make this video to talk a little bit about the health aspect of when it comes to growing your business. The reason I brought this up is the other day I was talking to somebody, one of my mentors, and I'm like, dude, like I had an off week and I'm feeling like I'm not doing as well in business. And he's like, number one, calm down. It's called being human. Number two, how's your health? How's your gym? Are you going to the gym? Are you working out? So, man, for the last like 3-4 months, I've taken it really serious and I hired a trainer to work on gym and muscle, and I also hired a trainer to teach me how to play basketball better. So I train twice a week playing basketball for about 1.5 hours every session, and I also have a trainer for the gym to work out for an hour a session, and so that's about 5 times a week that we train. That really helps a ton because now I don't really have to worry about what am I going to do in the gym, what exactly is my health going to look like. I just literally show up to the sessions. They have everything planned out for me, and it helps. And ever since, kind of gains. So I'm gonna take you behind the scenes of a gym session today, and I'll see you So there you have it, a workout live here and with my trainer and my girlfriend. She went to pretty much support and help with this video. But I wanted to make the video because we talk a lot about business, real estate. I share you all the tips and tricks to be able to get your first investment deal or buy rental properties or fix and flips. But a lot of it starts here, and it starts with your freaking health. I've never really been that good at health, okay? If you look at like my Instagram or my Facebook and you look back in time, I've always kind of been like a chubby boy and I like to eat, and I've never been like so into fitness. I used to play baseball when I was younger, but when I stopped playing ball, I'd work out in the gym, but I never really took it serious. So if you guys are kind of struggling with some weight stuff or maybe like workout things, that's okay. Like it happens to a lot of people, including myself. You know, I know it costs, it's an investment, but if you can get a trainer, even if it's like a cheap trainer, just anything, man, that has helped so freaking much. The 3 things that have helped me reduce weight, reduce body fat, gain muscle and clarity and energy in my day is meal plans. Get healthy meal plans delivered to your house. 2 is hire a trainer for the gym. And 3 is hire a trainer for something cardio or something fun. So for me it was basketball, which I'll do another video of this with my basketball training sessions. I wanted to wait till I get a little bit better because I sucked. I'm still sucked, but I'm getting there. And like that you can see. But look, you got to start somewhere. It's fine where you're at. Just accept where you're at. You might be big, you might be doing whatever, but definitely take health serious because it affects business so freaking well. Since I started this plan, I could already see a massive increase in my team, our revenue, and things like that. So whether you guys believe it or not, I'm not sure, but that has helped me. So hope you guys liked it. Hit this like button or subscribe. comment if you like what you see, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.